What's up, SilverTraderFM subscribers and viewers? Sorry, it's been a while since I've done a video. I did one yesterday, but the damn wind was too strong, so I could not release it. It would have sounded like this. So, today's video is actually a good day to release the technical analysis video of the PMs, so let's get into it. Headlines. Bernanke says Fed would consider new stimulus effort. New York Times. Fed prepared with stimulus if needed. No kidding. Bloomberg. Google Finance headlines. Stock jump as Bernanke opens door to new stimulus. Ha 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 ha. I guess we were expecting this the whole time, but I guess his Goldman Sachs buddies, as well as his political bed buddies and Fed goon squad, pretty much pushed him to mention or hint at it a bit earlier. It's like deja vu. Back in 2010, August. I remember something like this happening, right? Until he finally admitted to what he was doing in November of 2010. So, maybe the same pattern is going to continue. Maybe in 3 to 4 months he's going to admit that QE3 must continue, or else! So let's get into it. Okay, metals. Gold up 23.80, 1.5%. Silver up 2.45, 6.8%. Platinum up 27. Copper up almost a penny. Palladium up about 15. So the clear winner here, according to this, is silver, 6.9%, with wheat, cotton, corn following. Where is gold? Gold is up there at 1.5%. I mean, gold made a major breakthrough today, so let's get into that. Looking at gold weekly, gold futures, we were trying to bust through this 1577 high of May the 2nd, or the week of May, first week of May, when all the PMs fell. So 1577 was a tough thing to bust through, and we did it with force today at 1588.90 currently. So that's a positive sign for gold weekly. Let's look at the daily. How many think or swim, think or swim. There you go. Alright, so for gold, since July 4th, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days of green for gold. An amazing run for gold, very bullish. So if you bought at these levels, more power to you, man, if you weren't afraid to pull the trigger. Gold from this point on, I would say this will become support. I'm sure we'll test this line as well as these. These two lines will be tested once again. Possibly the second one, but for sure this one will be tested several times before we continue this bullish run on gold. But gold is definitely looking bullish for all its PM holders, and you know, the fate of the economy and the US dollar is at major risk, so gold it is for many people. Where gold goes, silver should follow. So the thing that we're going to do here now is, okay, so I would say for now, this bearish pennant is going to get off the table, because Uncle Ben's already hinting at QE 2.5 continuing. I'll call it 2.5 for now because he hasn't admitted to it being 3 yet. So we're taking off this bearish pennant that we had going for a while. But let's take a look at the daily real quick that we're looking at here. So for a while we were going down this down channel. Bumped our head once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, but on the 4th time, July 5th, it fell down again. But on the 6th of July, we busted through that and got inside this QE2 channel that we had going on for a while. Bounce off this resistance level that we were talking about earlier, that was proving to be resistance right there, around 36.8. Fell down. Questions ourselves if we were going to continue in this QE2 channel. Found support on this downtrend, which was resistance, became support, bounced off it, and nicely closed above the QE2 channel. And today, with Uncle Ben's confirmation that we have no choice but to buy bonds, aka printing money out of thin air, then we busted through this resistance level. If we could close at this area right here, which is also resistance from these previous highs, around 38-ish, it would be bullish. I would say if we can continue within here and maybe get into here by next week or the next few days, be very bullish for silver. We have a good chance of going in there because, hey, we're making higher swing highs, higher swing lows, and why wouldn't we? Because where gold goes, silver should follow, right? Let's look at the weekly, how that looks. Weekly is looking very positive. We're in this down channel. Last week we busted through it, got back into this QE2 purple channel. Now we're within these trading ranges. Resistance here, due to this gigantic week defining the QE2 channel. So I would say once we get over this 39.40 area, hey, sky's the limit for silver. But what I would like to see is him to officially announce QE3. If you look at the slope of each one, right? QE1's right here. Decent slope. QE2, a bit higher slope. Then I'm expecting QE3 to be in this accelerated slope right here. So we'll see. We'll define the channel once he admits to QE3 or QE2.5 or whatever he wants to call it, QE3. Then we can define the channel that should be similar to this one, my prediction. So we shall see. This is SilverTraderFM. Keep stacking, because the utter destruction of this country and its currency has just been confirmed by Uncle Ben. And we can't do anything about it but, preserve our remaining wealth through precious metals, silver and gold. Please keep stacking. I'm SilverTraderFM. I am out for now. Take care, guys.